They are the national bird of the Honduras. They usually appear in yellow, red, and blue colors. The Scarlet Macaw. They belong to the class of the aves and in the family of the Pristacidae. They mostly inhabit the humid evergreen forests of the Americas. A large population of the Scarlet Macaw is mostly found in Mexico, Guatemala, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Bolivia, and Brazil. Their beautiful feathery coloration and their peaceful nature makes them to be kept in most homes as pets. The Scarlet Macaw mostly feed on nuts, leaves, seeds, and occasionally they can feed on insects. The adult Scarlet Macaw can grow to a length of about 32 to 39 inches long, and they can weigh up to 1 kilogram. This bird has one of the longest lifespan in the class of the aves. They can live for up to 70 years in the wild.